It is Tuesday, March 20th, 2012. So winter still officially has 1 day left, and the heat pump at my gym is running in cool mode. It is like almost 70 degrees today. Actually, it probably is about 70 degrees. Kind of humid, but actually very nice. It's a beautiful day today. And the 2004 Carrier 3-ton heat pump is running in cool mode. Suction line is cold. Nice little unit. You know what? I am going to see about doing a startup shutdown video of this today. I have permission from the owner of the property to film it whenever I want. I'm going to see if they're willing to do a startup shutdown. And you know what? Let's go see if the 96 5-ton unit has turned on. It wasn't running when I walked outside. There is my Tacoma going for a defungusing tomorrow. I hear something running, but it might just be the I just walked by a Toyota Tundra that was idling, so yeah, that was just the Tundra. Thought that was the air conditioner for a second, but it was just the Tundra. Yeah, there's the 96 straight cool unit. Yeah, and what's weird is this is an older Carrier. This one's a 96, and it has a scroll compressor. The heat pump is an 04, and that has a reciprocating compressor. So I would have thought the older Carrier would have the reciprocating, and the newer one would have the scroll. Actually, I don't know if that's a Copeland, but it's definitely a scroll. You know what? Yeah, that's a Copeland. It's kind of faded, but that is a Copeland scroll. Don't know if the heat pump has a Copeland reciprocating, or a Bristol reciprocating, or a Carlisle reciprocating. Just know it has a reciprocating, but this one has a Copeland scroll. All right. And alright, I'll be back. Alright. And it shut off. can hear the Freon hissing around in there. Let's see if I can get a brand name off that compressor. I am pretty sure that is a Bristol. Looks like the Bristol logo on there. Alright, I'm going to see if I can get them to fire it up. If they let me do a startup shutdown today, I will be back. If not, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.